3.2 and 8.5. What's new in Moodle 3.2 in 8.5 minutes? The most obvious change in Moodle 3.2 is the location for many items. The process will still be the same, but getting there might be a little different. The login block is now on the right side. Once you've logged in, your My Courses can now be found in 3 locations: My Courses block in the right column, My Courses list in the left column, and then My Courses in the center column. Something to note is that the My Courses in the center column and the My Courses in the right column both indicate whether the course is available to students, purple, or unavailable to students, gray. In the left column, you'll notice there isn't the distinction. This left navigation column, also new for Moodle 3.2, is also collapsible to allow you additional space. If you're on a laptop or a tablet, you may want to have more space here in the main portion, so you can collapse anything that's in this left column, this purple background, by clicking on this menu icon here on the left. You'll notice now that it expands and you have more space on your screen. To go back and have the purple column again, click on this to expand the left navigation column. The location for a number of items on your course page has also changed. Click on your course to go to the main course page. When you're on the main course page, you'll notice now that where there used to be a Turn Editing On button, there is now this gear wheel in the upper right corner. This Edit gear wheel contains most of the functions that used to be in the administration block in the left column. If you click on it, the drop-down menu that appears includes Edit Settings, Turn Editing On, a gradebook setup link, import, and more. So the Edit Settings is where the main course settings are. This Edit Settings is where you would make the course available to students. Change this to show. Change the course start date. You can also switch from weekly to topic format and change the number of sections here, and then save and display. This is also where you will turn on the editing. You'll notice now that there are also little pencils next to the week's name, whereas previously you used to have to click on a gear wheel here. You can now edit this directly on this page, just like you would for the names of the various resources and activities. To add text to this week, instead of clicking the gear wheel that used to be here, you would click Edit and edit the week, add your text, save your changes. Just like previously, you can do add an activity or resource to add files, or you can open a file explorer and pull over resources. You can also select multiple files by holding down the Control key and pulling over and releasing. If you would like them in a different week, click on the plus sign and drag them to which week you would like. You can also click once and select the week you wish them to go into. If you want to hide an entire week of content, you can do so by clicking on the Edit menu for that entire week or topic and clicking Hide. You'll notice it's now grayed out. Whereas previously there was a Switch Role To in the administration block, there is now Switch Role To up here associated with your profile, Switch Role To. So if you switch your role to, say, a student, you can then see whether that week has been successfully hidden or not. Return to your normal role. If, once you've imported content from a previous term, you want to adjust the due dates, you can do that now all in one place in one report called the Dates report. To get to that, you would click on the Administration Edit drop-down menu here, and then click on More. And then under Reports, you would choose Dates. You can choose a specific activity type or resource type, and then expand all, and you can update those dates accordingly. The news forum is now called the announcements forum. Same functionality. If you post to that, it gets emailed to all of your students. From the main page of your course, you can reach the Moodle gradebook in two ways now. You can click on grades in the left column, and this will bring you to the grader report page. And then you can go to all of your other options that are the same here. Or from the main page of your course, you can go up here to the edit drop-down menu and choose gradebook setup, which takes you directly to the page that used to be called categories and items. The way to change the aggregation to say a weighted mean of grades hasn't changed once you're on this page. The actions column, the top edit menu, edit the settings, and this is where you change your gradebook aggregation. Some additional new features include new quiz question types, this includes drag and dropping markers onto images, and dragging images onto images. The two other new question types are drag and drop into text and select missing words. Another new feature of Moodle 3.2 is the ability to pin posts in forums and lock forums. Unfortunately, you can't lock a forum at a specific time, but what you can do is indicate that after a certain amount of time of inactivity, the forum is locked. If you look at the settings, under discussion locking, you can see that you can lock it after 1 day of inactivity, or 1 week, or 2 weeks, etc. You can pin a post when you create it, add a new discussion topic, pinned, or you can pin a specific post, pin. There's also the option now to use a recycle bin. In your recycle bin will be anything that has been recently deleted within 7 days, so you can restore an activity if you delete it by accident. For additional training, please explore Moodle 101 Course Creation for version 3.2 and Moodle 201 Course Management for version 3.2. You can also explore the faculty frequently asked questions. This provides by specific question and by specific topic how to do various tasks in Moodle.